Earn Amazon gift cards by watching game and movie trailers. That's what we're talking about today. It's all part of the 31 cash apps and websites in 31 days. If you want to take the challenge, go ahead and check out the playlist. Download one app a day. Obviously, you could do more than that if you want to. There's all kind of apps on there. Apps include cash apps, making money watching videos like today's, earn money cash watching, listening to music, free stock apps, free Bitcoin, all kind of stuff. Get paid for your videos and your photos, product reviews, and more. And most of these apps on the list have referral programs where you could earn even more cash by referring people. Very cool indeed. So please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog and I upload quite frequently. Smash the like button, share the video, leave comments and questions below. And if you're interested in seeing the exact system that people like you and myself use to go from making $0 to $100 per day, check out the top link in the video description below. It looks like this. It's a really cool thing there, really cool system. So today we're talking about what this is actually a website today. So what website, how it works, how you make money, some reviews. We're talking about how do they pay, and so on and so forth. Is there a referral program, payment proof, what countries, tips and tricks, and more. So let's get right into it today. Today's website is called VOLKNO. That's VOLKNO.com. So basically here, you'll set up an account. You have all these trailers here. TV show trailers, web trailers, game trailers, politics, even movies, surfing, coming soon, new, and so forth. And all you do is you watch these trailers here and you give them rankings. I'm not going to play the sound on these, so give me a second here. Let's start this one. There's a hot or not round, and you just different scenes of the trailer. I'm going to block it out for copyright purposes, but you just hit hot or not on different scenes for the trailer. I'll just put hot, bam, bam. And then you watch the whole trailer. And then there's a second round where you tag it. There's an emoji round where you say how you feel about the trailer, stuff like that. So it's really, really quick and really easy. Nothing much to it. And then you could go back to the Explore here. And sometimes there are surveys. There's none at the moment right now, but I did complete some. And you get points for that too. There's not really too many surveys in here that I've done. I've just been using this for about a year now. And yeah, there's all kind of stuff in here, and plus it's a really good way to find out new movies and stuff coming out. And there's TV shows, there's web stuff. There's no items in that category at the moment, but there's games, and these change all the time, obviously. And then you go to the store here and you can order these Amazon gift cards. So they do pay in Amazon gift cards. So I have 5,000 points there, so I'm gonna do a $5 gift card right there. Gonna redeem, spend my money, $5, wham bam. Should be in my email inbox soon. And then let's get my email real quick here, check it out. And there you got your code there for you. You can redeem right there on Amazon. Throw it in there, add to your balance, and bam, $5. It's pretty cool. So where is this available? Believe right now it's only available in the United States. If you know otherwise, please do leave in the comments below. Okay, so this is a web-based app here, and there is no iOS app or Android app, so I don't have any other people's reviews of the app. But I can tell you that I've been using it for about a year now, and I've been making some money from it here and there, little Amazon gift cards every now and then. There is no referral program, so that's another thing that's be kind of cool if there was a referral program, but there's not. Maybe there will be in the future, maybe there'll be by the time you're watching this, I don't know, but there's not at the moment. Some tips and tricks, check out my other apps, use these apps, use multiple apps and you're gonna make more money, obviously. This app, VOLKNO, requires you to do stuff. Some of my apps that I have on my list require you to do very little. You just sync your debit cards and stuff like that up or whatever, and you're good to go. So yeah, check out those other apps. That is all for now. Please do subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos, and I will talk to you soon.